Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply an icon pack on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can change your app icons by applying new icon packs from your Galaxy Store or a third-party launcher. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. From here, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Go ahead and open this app. Now once installed, go ahead and open it. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on Theme Park. Now tap on Icon at the bottom, and then go ahead and tap on Create New. Now here you can go ahead and change the shapes of your icons. You can even change the icon color if it allows you to, and your tray color. However, if you don't like these normal customizations of all these icons, you can even apply an icon pack. So the icon pack, you can download it from your Galaxy Store. So here you can go ahead and download these. You can even look at the top ones, and you can look at the ones that are free. So for example, this one here, this is free. So I'll go ahead and download this. Now once downloaded, I can tap on Apply. Now this will apply the simple pink icon pack on my phone. Now as you can see, it has given like a pink theme to my icons on my phone. So this basically transforms the whole vibe of your home screen in seconds for a fresh and a customized experience. So there you go guys, that is how to apply an icon pack on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.